friend, Assalamu alaikum. It is my challenge all about teach learning. Today's topic is English class 3, page 10. B. Listen and sing. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Bye bye. আজকে এই পর্যন্ত নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখা হবে। বাই বাই।